Nice to meet you. In this video, I'll walk you through how to sign up for Binance, as well as how to make a deposit and trade futures. I'll explain each step in a simple and easy way. Let's get started. Before we begin, if you sign up through the link below this video, you can receive a lifetime 20% Binance trading fee discount, along with various rewards for new users, so I recommend signing up through the link below the video. First, let's take a look at how to sign up for Binance. Access Binance through the link below the video. You'll be taken to the official Binance registration page. If you look at the left side of the screen, you can see the lifetime 20% Binance trading fee discount, along with various rewards for new users already applied. Let's create a new account. Choose either your email address or mobile number and enter it. Next, check the agreement box below and click the register button. A verification code will then be sent to the email or mobile number you entered. Enter the verification code to complete the verification process. Next, create your password. Your password must be at least 8 characters long, and include uppercase letters, lowercase letters, and numbers. Make sure to create a secure and complex password. Once you finish entering all the required information, a screen confirming that the benefits have been applied will appear. If you did not access Binance through the video link, you will be taken to the inviter code entry page. Since the inviter code cannot be added after registration is completed, make sure to enter it at this stage. Click the Yes button shown on the screen. When the referral ID field appears, enter Sky333. By registering this way, you can receive a lifetime 20% Binance trading fee discount, along with various rewards for new users. Once you have completed these steps, your Binance registration is successfully completed. Next, let's go over how to complete KYC verification. To use features such as deposits, withdrawals, and trading on Binance, and access the platform's various functions, you must complete KYC verification. Once your account has been created, you will automatically be taken to the KYC verification page. Select your residence. Next, choose the identification document you want to use for verification. From the document type options shown below, select one valid identification document. For this video, we'll proceed by selecting passport. Once you've made your selection, check all the agreements below, and click the Continue button. A QR code for KYC verification will then appear on the screen. Scan the QR code with your phone. This will open the KYC verification link. Tap Start Scanning. The camera scanning screen will then appear. Position the information page of your passport inside the guide frame on the screen, and take a clear photo without any light reflection. Once the photo is taken, facial verification will begin immediately. Position your face in the center of the frame, and follow the instructions by nodding your head or blinking your eyes. Once all verification steps are completed, your KYC verification request will be submitted automatically. The KYC review process usually takes about 1 hour. Once your verification is approved, your KYC verification will be successfully completed. Next, let's look at how to set up two-factor security. To protect your Binance account more securely, I recommend setting up two-factor security in advance. Click the profile icon in the upper left corner of the home screen. Next, click Account from the menu on the left, and select Security from the options below. You will then see a list of different two-factor security methods. Most users choose the Authenticator app, as it provides the strongest security. Click the Manage button next to Authenticator app. Then click Enable Authenticator app. A verification code will then be sent to your registered email or mobile number. Enter the code you received to complete the verification. The Authenticator link pop-up screen will then appear. Now search for Google Authenticator on your mobile device and install it. Once installation is complete, open the Google Authenticator app. Tap the plus button in the lower right corner of the app, and select Scan a QR code. When the camera scanning screen opens, scan the QR code displayed on your PC screen. Your Binance account will then be added to the Google Authenticator app, and a 6-digit code will be generated. This code changes about once every minute, so make sure to check it carefully. Now return to your PC screen and click the Next button below. When the Authenticator app code field appears, Enter the 6-digit code generated in the Google Authenticator app. The Google Authenticator app will then be activated, and your Binance two-factor security setup will be successfully completed. Second, let's look at how to make a deposit on Binance. There are several ways to deposit cryptocurrency into Binance, but in this video, we'll focus on the on-chain deposit method. Hover your mouse over the wallet icon in the upper right corner of the home screen. A list of different wallet types will appear below. Spot is the wallet used for deposits, withdrawals, and spot trading, while Futures is the wallet used for futures trading. Since we're depositing coins first, click Spot. Next, click Deposit in the upper right corner, and select Deposit Crypto as the deposit method. Select the coin you want to deposit. Generally, because of its low fees and fast transfer speed, USDT is one of the most commonly used options. Next, select the network. Generally, because of its low fees and fast transfers, TRX is commonly used. The deposit address for the selected coin will then be generated. Copy the displayed coin deposit address. Now move to another exchange where your coins are currently held. Coinbase or Kraken are commonly used. On that exchange, move your mouse over Assets and click Funding or Spot. Next, click Withdraw in the upper right corner. Select the coin you want to withdraw. Make sure the withdrawal coin is the same coin you selected on Binance. Next, select the chain type. The chain type must also match the chain you selected on Binance. Now you need to enter the wallet address. Paste the coin deposit address you copied from Binance earlier. Next, enter the amount you want to withdraw, and click the Confirm button. After a short while, the coins will be transferred to your Binance Spot wallet and the deposit will be successfully completed. Third, let's take a look at how to trade futures on Binance. Before starting futures trading on Binance, you first need to transfer the coins held in your Spot wallet to your futures wallet. Go to your Spot wallet and click Transfer in the upper right corner. Set the transfer direction from fiat and spot to USD and futures. Next, select the coin you want to transfer and enter the amount you want to transfer. Once everything is set, click Confirm. The coins will then be transferred to your futures wallet shortly. Now, to start futures trading, hover your mouse over Futures in the top menu and click USDM Futures from the menu below. You will then be taken to the futures trading page. Click the Coin Selection button in the upper left corner, and a list of available coins for trading will appear. On the order panel on the right, you can configure the detailed settings for futures trading. Click this button to select the margin mode. Cross opens a position using all available margin collateral, while Isolated opens a position using only part of the margin collateral. For beginners, because it is relatively easier to manage risk, I recommend using Isolated. Click the button next to it to set your leverage. Leverage can be set up to 150x. However, as leverage increases, your potential profit also increases, but the risk of losses and liquidation also becomes higher. So beginners are advised to start with a lower leverage. In this section, you can select the order type. Limit allows you to place an order at a price you specify, while Market executes the order immediately at the current market price. Below that, you can see your available margin. Here, you can set the order price and quantity. Finally, you can use this button to choose the direction of your position. If you expect the coin price to rise, select Buy Long. If you expect the coin price to fall, select Sell Short. Once you select the position direction, the order will be executed shortly. Click the Positions tab below to check the current status of your open position. Entry price refers to the price at which you initially entered the position. Mark price shows the current market price. Leak price refers to the price at which forced liquidation occurs. If the price reaches this level, your position will be automatically liquidated, so make sure to monitor it carefully. P&L shows your current profit and loss. If you click the pencil icon below TPSL for position, you can set take profit and stop loss prices to manage your risk. Finally, click the button below Market Close All to close your current position. Market closes the position immediately at the current market price, while Limit closes the position at a price you specify. Once you select the position closing method, the position will be successfully closed shortly. In this video, we covered how to sign up for Binance, as well as how to make a deposit and trade futures in a simple and easy way. If you have any difficulties or questions while following the video, leave a comment and I'll get back to you as quickly as possible. Thank you for watching until the end.